Hello everyone, this is Patty's Hobby World. I needed to have some lunch, take a break, so I'm back now. I wanted to just finish up doing the detail work on her hair. So she is completely finished. So once again, I concentrated with making sure that all of the curls popped. I concentrated in the corners and just colored her a little darker, the flower, and created a little bit more dimension with the leaf and everything like that. So mother of the bride is definitely ready for the wedding. So we have one more left, and that is going to be the bride. And let's pull her out because I think this is fun what I've been doing. And I think this is going to end my hair tutorials for a little while anyway. So that's the mother of the bride, big sister, next sister, little sister, junior bride, grandmother, and matron of honor, college friend, best friend. Okay? So mother is ready, and here comes the bride. All right, so we'll get ready to do her, and then because she is the bride, I will go ahead and I may finish her. I just wanted to keep it as a hair tutorial. Okay, so grab a snack. I have two more. But these could be just people at the wedding. Or maybe this could be the flower girl. Yeah, this could be the flower girl. She could be a little girl with all these pretty locks. Since we don't have a flower girl yet. But let's get the bride done. And then if we do the flower girl, I'll do it. Okay? And I still have to go lighter and lighter. I'm going to try to make the bride as blonde as possible because I'm catching that warm yellow tones, but it is beautiful. All right, so thank you so much for subscribing and watching my channels, and we'll see you at the final coloring of the